Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious biscuits and gravy. First, let's gather our biscuit ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of very cold unsalted butter, and 3/4 cup of cold milk. It's crucial that your butter and milk are chilled to achieve that perfect flaky texture. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll be ready to start. Now let's make those fluffy biscuits. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut the cold butter into small pieces and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to work it into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Gradually add the cold milk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick, cut out your biscuits, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. While our biscuits are baking, let's prepare the rich, savory gravy. In a large skillet, brown 1 pound of breakfast sausage over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once fully cooked, drain off most of the excess fat, leaving about 2 tablespoons in the pan. Whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, stirring constantly until the gravy thickens. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your homemade biscuits and gravy. Carefully split your warm, golden brown biscuits in half. Generously ladle the hot, creamy sausage gravy over each biscuit. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle with fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika. Serve this comforting meal immediately for breakfast, brunch, or even dinner. It's a truly satisfying dish that's sure to become a favorite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.